The situation in Gambella has been marked by ongoing ethnic tensions and violence, particularly involving attacks by armed Anywak groups against Nuer people and Highlanders. Following the Ethiopian People's Democratic Revolutionary Front (EPRDF) taking power in 1991, the Gambella People's Liberation Movement (GPLM), an Anywak-dominated group, was given control over the regional government. This Anywak dominance in political power continued until December 2003. During this period, the Anywak regional authorities were often accused of corruption, incompetence, and a lack of effort in resolving ethnic conflicts between the Anywak and Nuer communities. Highlander civilians also felt that Anywak leaders were not interested in stopping the attacks against them, and some federal authorities suspected collaboration between Anywak politicians and armed Anewak groups targeting Highlanders. As a result, many Anewak political leaders were imprisoned, and a significant portion of the educated Anewak elite either faced imprisonment or went into exile. This has led to a vacuum in regional leadership, with no Anewak representative in the House of People's Representatives and the regional president seeking asylum abroad. The ongoing violence and instability in Gambella, compounded by security concerns and travel restrictions, have made it difficult to obtain reliable information about the region. However, there have been reports of armed clashes between Anewak groups and military forces, and while attacks on Highlander civilians have decreased since mid-2004, the threat of violence remains a concern.